What's happening? It's your boy Cool Ass Kitty and Foe back again with another video, man. Welcome back to the show, man. I know I ain't been bringing y'all a lot of videos, man. Listen, man. It's definitely a grind and a struggle, man. Trying to, you know what I'm saying? You do your 9 to 5 plus record and, you know, make content at the same time. Like, I'm gonna do better though. I'm gonna do better. I ain't got no choice. But anyway, man, I just wanted to drop back in here with y'all, man. Listen, yeah, I just been going, but I gotta go get this part 2 of this truck repaired. I'm gonna drop a clip because I had to get my tires changed. I got 2 new steer tires put on here, and then I got one of my sleeper airbags replaced yesterday. But now I gotta go to the tire shop because the guy that changed it, he was mobile, so you know what I'm saying, that was the best option for at that time, especially with the tires and stuff. So we did that, got 2 new ones put on here, and I got a spare now. Now I have a spare tire just in case anything was to happen. But I need to go get an alignment done. Wasn't able to do that on the mobile thing, so I'm gonna take this joint over here, go get an alignment, front end alignment, all this 3-point, all that stuff done, so we can be all the way straight and legit all the way through, and get ready, man, because it is winter freaking time, man, and it's a whole different ball game in this season. Different ball game. So listen, man, we about to go do that. Take y'all with me for the ride. I don't even know if I'm gonna go out today. I might go out today, I might not. I'm not sure, because I actually got an appointment like Wednesday, so I got to be back here Wednesday. So I don't know if it work out, cool. If it don't, I don't know. I mean, if I get some stuff that move around Texas, you know what I'm saying, it's cool. So where I can be here on Wednesday to make my appointment, but lights flickering, or was a reflection of my lights? Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all. This truck behind me got his, like, y'all see that? Like, the truck is off. So I assume, because I didn't see nobody get in there, but the lights was flickering. See it? How is that if the truck ain't on, bro? Ain't nobody in that truck. Okay, maybe somebody is in the truck. I don't know, bro. I ain't seen nobody get in that truck, but the lights is flickering. I thought it was the reflection of my truck for a second. I don't know. I ain't never seen that before. The truck off, though. Ain't nobody in that joint. But them lights is like, I don't know. I ain't never seen that before. Somebody comment down below, let me know what that is. But anyway, man, we about to get moving the group, and I got to head over to the shop. It is already 7 o'clock. They don't open till 8, but it's not that far, but it is close to downtown. And yeah, I ain't been to Texas or been to Dallas in rush hour, driven out here in Dallas during rush hour. If you have, you already know what time it is. So it's finna get crazy. So it's Monday morning too. So I'm about to slide on through here, get this done, man, and wrap this thing on up, man. I'll holler at y'all in a minute once we get rolling. Yeah. y'all. I just want to come on and this right here, I don't even know if y'all can see the sun is booming like a mug. But look at the traffic. Bruh, there's no traffic. Like this crap right here would be flooded right about now, man. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Y'all see downtown, well, I don't know if y'all can see, but that sun on, boy, that sun ain't playing, right? It's right in the mud. But bro, look at this. Like, I'm a little bit astonished.
In 2.9 miles. Exit to exit 433B, Mockingbird Lane, Dallas Love Field Airport.
Like this is crazy. I never expected to be rolling this, you know what I'm saying, just going straight through like this at this time. So obviously something is shaking. I don't know if we're going. I haven't really checked the news. I don't know if we back on lockdown. I don't know if stuff got closed now or what. But this is crazy. This is like how it was this summer during, you know, the first uprising of COVID. Like it was really no traffic on the road. People were staying home. And it kind of looked like the same thing going on now again. Because I would have never expected this freeway to be this smooth right now. Ah, dang, here come my cousin. Yeah, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Alright, YouTube. Oh, man, we back, man. Listen, I'm just sitting here waiting on this motherfucking, one of these bays to open up so I can get this thing done, man. I thought this place didn't open till 8. Come to find out they open at 7:30. So, it was like 2 trucks already here. It had been sitting here, I guess, waiting for them to open. I thought the place opened at 8. So I got here like right at like 7:30, 7:35, something like that. Yeah, I'm still waiting to get in this bay so I can get this daggone alignment done. But nah, man, I was just on the phone with my cousin, man. I'm back home. And sitting up here talking about this he's like, you know, I was like, what's going on in Texas, man? Like, it's how they got rappers like getting shot left and right. I'm like, man, I don't know what's going on right now, bro. Like, it's crazy, man. It's really crazy. It's not no joke. It's just where, I mean, the crap is really sad, man. Like I said, all I knew is the stuff been going on for a while now, and I don't know what's gonna come up out of this. Just talking to a couple people, I think the situation gonna get worse, and it's horrible. It's bad. Like regardless of whatever, I don't know. There's been a lot of speculation and a lot of stuff has been said about this, that, and the third. But I don't know what the true skinny is about the whole situation. I know it's been brewing and things have been going on for a couple of years now, but ain't nobody just. I mean, there was a comedian that had died a while back, so a lot of that came from that, and it's just like, I don't know, man. I don't know. It seems like it's just like an ongoing cycle, but yeah, we was just chopping it up about that whole situation and just how crazy it is, and then, you know, the whole Boosie situation and all this stuff, man. I'm like, man, yeah, it's getting crazy, man. It's getting crazy. Like, I don't even understand why it's coming to that level to where we doing that type of stuff again. Like, I just don't understand it, man. I just don't understand that mindset anymore. I mean, I do, because I mean, I came from that type of environment, so I get some of it, but it don't make it right. You know what I'm saying? I understand that culture, but it just doesn't make it right. It's like we gotta do better, man. We gotta change, man. It's just crazy, bro. But I'm trying to get this situated, get this handled. I don't even know how long I'm gonna be here, man. It told me the thing was gonna be ready by a bay was gonna open up at 8. here it is like 8:20, 8:25. It's almost 8:30, bro, and I still ain't gotten into this bay yet. So I don't know. I might have to get in here and ruffle some feathers or something. But anyway, man, when we get this thing fixed, man, I'll get back with y'all, man. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we back. Oh, I'm sitting out here waiting. Well, right now I'm waiting on the ride, but I just have to drop my truck off again at another place to get repaired, because the place I took it to yesterday found out some more stuff wrong with it, so they couldn't do the alignment that I need to get done. So had to bring it out way out here to the south. I was way in the north. Well, the place I went to was kind of close to downtown, but then I had to come out here the next day. This is the next day. Come out here to a different shop that could get the parts, and they can put the parts on and do the alignment all at the same time. So I had to drop my truck off, and I was just waiting on the parts. So once I get the parts in, it'll probably be done tomorrow sometime, which I was gonna have to be off anyway, because I gotta go get this hair done, man. So this gonna look completely different tomorrow. I can see my head. Gotta get ready for this vacation. We're taking it at the end of, the beginning of next month. Going to Georgia with my wife, so got that coming up. And then after that, I don't know, we'll do the straight grind season. Hopefully everything is, pretty much up to par for the truck. I can keep rolling and get through this winter season. So as I get some more information, I get back with y'all. All right, peace.